Motivational, and yes, today is laundry day. So I have a household family of 4. I'm about to gather all our clothes and get them all washed up for the week.
If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, 'cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging.
So I start off by separating all our clothes, whites, colors, and I separate my husband's work clothes separate from our color clothes, and that is because of his orange shirts. I have made that mistake before and washed them with our regular color clothes, and I had orange dye on our clothes. So that's all I'm doing here, and I hope you guys continue to watch this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video.
Nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around. I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. Hey, I care for myself. Ooh, don't rely on somebody else. Oh, so don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, 'cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong. Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see.
I'm now setting my settings depending on what size load I'm washing. So by me washing white clothes first, I set it to bulky and sheet, hot water, and I also put it to heavy. That's because I have towels and stuff in there. So I turn the extra rinse off, but I do turn my fabric softener on. I have a Maytag extra large washing machine that does not have the agitator in it, and that is because I do wash large quantity of clothes. Like with this washing machine, it is amazing. Reason because I'm allowed to wash my California King comforter and my daughter full-size comforter in this washing machine with absolutely no problems at all. So I'm just putting my white clothes in here and some of my favorite washing laundry stuff that I love to use, which all-time favorite, Clorox. You never could go wrong with Clorox, because Clorox is gonna keep your whites white, and they're gonna keep you clean, gonna keep your clothes looking and smelling clean and fresh. Also, my favorite detergent of all time, hands down, is Persil. I absolutely love my Persil. It doesn't matter what kind of Persil it is, what's the brand, what's the scent of the Persil. Persil is my all-time favorite. So I usually do a half a cap of Persil liquid and one Persil disc, and that just because it just gives it that extra freshness, and they smell amazing when they do come out. And of course, I can't go wrong with my beads. I must always have my beads, whether they're Downy, whether they're Gain. I love my beads. What I have here is a Downy ball, which can be purchased at Walmart for $3 to $4. And it has on here medium, large, and extra large loads. So depending on what size load you is, depending on how much you will use. And you just fill it up to the line, pour the cap, and you toss it over in there, and it diverts on its own. You have nothing to worry about. So I'm just going to start the wash machine. Because this wash machine is an energy efficient wash machine, it takes an hour to wash approximately one load, and it takes an hour to dry one load. So it evens itself out, so the whites have washed, and I'm about to dry them. And I'm going to put my dryer sheets in, which I use Bounce, and I'm going to load it up with my color codes, and I'm going to resume this process throughout.
Do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it.
It has came down to my favorite part of laundry, which is folding clothes. I like to wash clothes. I will wash clothes every day to the week, but I love to fold them.
You say, and then I lose it. Delusional.
The sun is going down now. Been at it for a while, and I have had enough of this. I doubt that we can solve it. Been trying for so long, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, you're still stuck on my mind. You won't go away. It's like you are a part of me. The mansion in my dreams. Now you won't be there, and I just can't ignore that it won't ever be the same. No, we will never be that good again. Don't drag it out, skip the innocence. Things will never be the same again. And now I got all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah, I am all that I need. No need to apologize. No, we won't waste any more time. Yeah. All these memories that we made won't fade away for a while. You said you don't mind, that you'll be just fine. No room for second chances. Hey,
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Be sure to go by and click that subscribe button. I love you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!
no need to apologize. No, we won't